What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. As you can see, we are back here in Rec Room and we're gonna try out a new bowling app that I found the other day. There's plenty of things that you could do in Rec Room, but this is what we're going to do today. Of course, I have Francis here with me and my buddy Robert's up there playing around. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's do it. So there's other stuff too. There's like, well, I guess pool that'd work. Yeah, there's like a little basketball thing and then there's darts. A little bit of Dance Dance Revolution or something like that. I don't know if it actually works, probably not. And just cool little scenery, but you can't play darts. Perfect. Yeah, I got it on the board. I'm up. Well, I need the proper ball, guys. All right, here we go. No! Ah, you know what? You know what? This is just like real life. All right, here we go. Ah! Psst. Robert, you got a lot of pressure? Psst, first time in the Oculus Rift. Ooh, not bad. Two balls. Two balls. Clang, clang. You see this, Robert? This is my lucky ball right here. This is what I get strikes with Monday through Sunday. It's my turn. All right, you guys just back away. Everybody get out of my lane. All right, let me just... Oh, Robert. Oh, come on. I quit. Goodbye, I'm done. I give up on video games for the rest of my life. Good job. Fran, you got air on that one. Oh, it's so hard. Got one. I'm sticking with my purple. Oh, picked up the spare. I'm still getting rocked. You want some coffee? Yeah. You guys want to get some pizzas? There's pizza over here. Can you grab it? You could buy root beer, salted pretzel. All right, come on up. I'm paying. That's the stuff right there. Oh. Oh, boo. So much easier if you have your wrist facing this way instead of this way. I thought you had to bowl it like you would. Ooh, Franny. Ah, so close. Boom, 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 boom. Fran might just clear everybody right now. This is big time right here. I'm like nervous. Yeah! Woo! Ooh, bringing it back. No. There's my music. That's all I needed. That's it. Now I'm ready. Oh, there she. Ooh, is she gonna strike? Almost. Oh. Yes!
Game over.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. We had a good time playing bowling. Thank you guys for watching, sticking all the way to the end of the video. We definitely appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next one.